Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be explaining about core prints. We already know about what is core and why core is used. So core is used to create hollow section in metal casting. Now the question is, what is core print? So what is core print? So core prints are projections provided on a pattern to form recesses or impressions in the mold. So it is the one type of recess. We provide or keep recesses or impressions on the mold to hold the core in proper position. So this impression is basically intentionally we keep on the mold or on the pattern. When we keep on the core prints on the pattern creates again the core prints on the mold. But when we place the core prints or we create the core prints on the mold, we don't provide core prints on the pattern. That is the difference. So these recesses support and accurately locate the core inside the mold cavity during casting. So this is the core. Suppose this is core and we have provided core prints here. This section and this section are core prints. So when we place this core on the mold, suppose this is mold, the core print create section like this. So this section holds the core prints in a perfect way, and the core prints, that is it provides the support to the core. So that's why core print is required, and we intentionally provide core prints to the core or the mold. So what are the purpose of the core prints? So it holds the core in correct position. It holds the core in correct position, prevent core displacement due to molten metal pressure. When we fill the mold cavity with the molten metal creates pressure on the core. So core has a tendency to shift from its place, so it prevents that displacement. Also it maintains dimensional accuracy of casting, and it reduces the chances of casting defects like misalignment. So when we provide the core prints to the mold, that core prints helps to create a defect free casting. So one thing have to be clear, that is when we provide core prints to the mold, we don't provide core prints to the pattern. We don't provide core prints to the pattern. But when we provide core prints to the pattern and that pattern have to be placed on the mold, so that core prints has been provided on the pattern, that core prints creates core prints on the mold itself. Then we don't have to provide the core prints separately on the mold, because the pattern is creating the core prints on the mold. So this is the main point. So in this video I have discussed about the core prints. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.